I think there are a number of factors that come into that. I think the first thing you want to consider when you're looking for a lawyer is what they've accomplished so far. I think you, as a client, should ask questions about trials and successes they've had. Ask them about losses. Ask them about their background. Ask them about what positions they've held. And I think if you start to ask those questions of folks here at Cutter Law, you'll find out that we have a really accomplished group that I'm super proud of. Our lawyers have been appointed by judges around the country to leadership positions in national litigation, including myself, Celine, Margot. J.R. Parker's been co-lead in a major class action against an insurance company. So we have a lot of great lawyers here who have done work that's been recognized. We are known as a firm that will take your case to trial. And so that's especially important if you've been severely injured. I mean, there are probably a lot of firms that you can turn to if you just had, kind of minor whiplash, and they'll get your case settled. But if you've really had a serious injury, and then you want a firm that's in it for the long haul, that will invest all resources. We don't have any problem with investing, mid six figures into some cases where the injuries are severe. We've had teams of up to 15 experts on our side for clients. We really do that so that we can, because we know that the insurance companies don't go willingly, right? They fight hard, so we fight harder. And if it's a case that we're not getting a fair offer on, then we go to trial. But I have to say that if you do your homework and hire a firm like ours, and there are others that are good, but it's a smaller group than you would think from all the advertising you see, and often it's the firms that you don't see on TV. And but if you have a firm like ours, then mostly the cases do resolve, even the very serious ones, because the insurance companies, our adversaries, respect us, and they know that they're at high risk of a jury verdict that will be even more difficult for them to absorb.
Typically when people come to me, they've just had the worst day of their life, and they need somebody with the experience, the knowledge, the stomach, the fortitude to follow through their case, do whatever it takes to get them justice. It's never easy. We're always fighting against the government, against the largest corporations, against the largest insurance companies to get people justice. It takes a lot of work beyond being smart. There's lots of smart people out there. Beyond being smart, you have to have the fortitude and the determination to do what it takes to get your client justice. And that's not a common trait.
I think a client should trust Cutter Law because we really care. There are so many firms that take, thousands and thousands of clients and don't actually care about the result and the people behind the case. And we really care, and we want to get to know our clients, and we want to help them get the best result.
Someone should choose our firm because we're a group of lawyers who really take our responsibility seriously to our clients. We strive to have a good relationship with our clients, and we take our ethical responsibilities really seriously. We don't take cases that we don't believe in. So if we're representing somebody, it's because we really think something happened, that they deserve justice, and we're going to do everything we can to get it for them. We truly care, and we try to really connect with people.
You should choose to come to Cutter Law because in addition to the fact that we have an immense amount of experience with people from a variety of different backgrounds, they're incredibly selective about the people that they have working here. So they choose people who actually believe in the causes that they support, and they actually choose the staff members who are equally as helpful and customer service minded. So we help people, and the people who work here actually put a priority in that specific